Did you know that the iPhone 16 Pro's camera sensor is actually 10% larger than the 15 Pro's, and they're rumored to be keeping that size for the 17 Pro? 1. Introduction: The Great iPhone Showdown. Every year, Apple pushes the boundaries of smartphone technology with its flagship iPhones. The transition from the iPhone 16 Pro to the iPhone 17 Pro represents another leap, designed to appeal to power users, creators, and anyone who wants cutting-edge performance in their pocket. But with steep prices and Apple's iterative upgrades, the question remains, is the iPhone 17 Pro a must-have upgrade over the iPhone 16 Pro, or does last year's model still hold its ground? This article delves into every major difference and similarity: performance, design, display, camera, battery, software, pricing, and value, to help you decide which phone actually reigns supreme. 2. Design and build, familiar yet refined. At first glance, both phones maintain Apple's signature premium look, but there are notable shifts. The iPhone 17 Pro introduces a new unibody aluminum design with a full-width camera plateau that gives the rear a more cohesive and modern look. This contrasts with the more classic squared camera module found on the 16 Pro. Apple continues to use ceramic shield protection with IP68 water and dust resistance on both phones, ensuring durability. In terms of size and weight, the 17 Pro is slightly larger and heavier, a trade-off for improved internals and battery capacity. Overall, while the 16 Pro's design remains elegant and timeless, the 17 Pro pushes forward with a more modern and robust aesthetic. 3. Display, brighter and better. Both iPhones feature a 6.3-inch Super Retina XDR OLED display with 120Hz ProMotion adaptive refresh rate that offers silky smooth scrolling, responsive touch, and sharp visuals. However, there are meaningful differences. The iPhone 17 Pro boasts a peak brightness of up to 3000 nits, making it significantly easier to view under bright sunlight. The 16 Pro's display, while still excellent, tops out around 2000 nits. The 17 Pro also includes improved anti-reflective coating and scratch resistance, enhancing outdoor usability. In real-world usage, the 17 Pro's display appears brighter, more vibrant, and easier to read, especially in challenging lighting conditions. 4. Performance, A19 Pro versus A18 Pro. One of the most significant upgrades in the 17 Pro lies under the hood. The iPhone 17 Pro runs on Apple's new A19 Pro chip, which maintains a 6-core CPU and 6-core GPU but introduces neural accelerators and superior sustained performance thanks to a vapor chamber cooling system. This allegedly delivers up to 40% better sustained performance than its predecessor. In contrast, the 16 Pro features the A18 Pro chip, which was already a strong performer but lacks these accelerators. Additionally, the 17 Pro includes 12 GB of RAM, compared to 8 GB in the 16 Pro, meaning better multitasking and smoother handling of demanding apps. For gaming, video editing, and long-term performance in demanding tasks, the 17 Pro clearly pulls ahead. However, the 16 Pro's performance remains among the fastest in smartphones, so normal day-to-day use may feel similar for many users. 5. Camera capabilities, bigger, better, smarter. Rear cameras. Both phones use a triple camera system, but the 17 Pro upgrades areas that matter for photography and videography. The 17 Pro's camera system includes 3 48MP fusion sensors, with the telephoto lens offering 4x and 8x optical zoom, and much higher overall zoom flexibility. The 16 Pro has 48MP wide and ultra-wide sensors, but its telephoto camera is a 12MP unit with 5x optical zoom, which is strong but more limited. 6. Front camera and features. The iPhone 17 Pro upgrades the front camera to 18MP with center stage support and a larger sensor that can capture landscape or portrait without rotating the phone. The 16 Pro's front camera stays at 12MP, which is still very competent but less versatile. 7. Video and Pro Tools. The 17 Pro goes further with advanced video capabilities, for example, Dual Capture, ProRes RAW, Log2, GeneLock, aimed at creators and professionals. Verdict: if photography and videography are priorities, the 17 Pro's enhanced zoom range, high-resolution sensors, and creative video tools offer a meaningful advantage. 8. Battery and charging, lasts longer. Battery life is a crucial battleground. The iPhone 17 Pro sports a significantly larger battery, around 4,252 mAh, compared to the 16 Pro's 3,582 mAh unit. Apple claims up to 33 hours of video playback on the 17 Pro, outperforming the 16 Pro's 27 hours. Charging has also improved. With a 40 watts wired adapter, the 17 Pro can hit 50% in about 20 minutes, versus 30 minutes for the 16 Pro with a 30 watts adapter. Longer battery life and faster charging enhance daily usability, particularly for heavy users or travelers. 9. Software and ecosystem support. Both phones run iOS 26 with the 17 Pro launching with it out of the box, offering features like improved AI tools, better privacy and security, and enhanced productivity features. Over the years, Apple supports its devices with many updates, and the 17 Pro, being newer, will likely receive one additional year of iOS updates compared to the 16 Pro. This can be a decisive factor for longevity and long-term value. 10. Pricing and value, is it worth it? Pricing naturally impacts the value equation. The iPhone 17 Pro launches at a higher price $1,099 in the US, starting with 256GB storage as standard. By contrast, when new, the iPhone 16 Pro started cheaper with a 128GB base, but many buyers looking at 256GB see the pricing converge. In markets like India, the 17 Pro retails significantly higher than where the 16 Pro is often discounted. For some buyers, especially if a deal on the 16 Pro is available, the cost difference may favor last year's model as a value buy. 11. Final verdict, which one reigns supreme? So which should you choose? Here's a straight answer. Choose the iPhone 17 Pro if you want the absolute best performance and future-proofing. Photography and videography with the widest optical zoom and advanced video tools matter. You care about display brightness and battery endurance for heavy use. Stick with the iPhone 16 Pro if you want excellent performance and cameras at a lower price. You don't need the latest telephoto zoom or the highest battery life. You find strong discounts on the 16 Pro and are okay with slightly older hardware. Ultimately, the iPhone 17 Pro pulls ahead in most categories, but not every user will need its incremental advantages, especially if budget or resale value plays a part in the decision. 12. Quick summary. The iPhone 17 Pro versus the iPhone 16 Pro, which one stands out as the ultimate smartphone experience? In today's video, we're putting these two powerhouses head-to-head to see which one truly reigns supreme. From camera capabilities to processing power, we'll dive into every detail to help you decide which iPhone is right for you. Whether you're a tech enthusiast or just looking for a reliable device, this comprehensive comparison is for you. Apple has a long history of pushing the boundaries with their annual iPhone releases. Each year, we see significant upgrades, especially in their Pro models, which set the standard for flagship smartphones. The Pro series is known for offering the latest and greatest technology, making it a favorite among users who crave the best. This tradition continues with the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, each boasting unique features that cater to different needs. So, what makes the iPhone 17 Pro stand out? For starters, it features an advanced camera system with the new telephoto lens, offering improved zoom capabilities and low-light performance. Additionally, the iPhone 17 Pro is powered by the latest A19 Bionic chip, which provides a significant boost in processing power and energy efficiency. The iPhone 17 Pro also boasts a brighter and more responsive display, making it perfect for gaming and video playback. On the other hand, the iPhone 16 Pro has its own set of impressive features, including a powerful A18 Bionic chip and a high-quality camera system with a 48-megapixel main sensor. The iPhone 16 Pro also offers a stunning display with a high refresh rate, making it ideal for fast-paced content. The iPhone 16 Pro's camera system is no slouch either, with a 48-megapixel main sensor and advanced software features. When it comes to battery life, both phones offer all-day performance, but the iPhone 17 Pro has a slightly larger battery. The iPhone 17 Pro also introduces new software features, such as enhanced AI capabilities and improved security. Furthermore, the iPhone 17 Pro features a new design element, a more seamless glass front. The iPhone 16 Pro also has a sleek design, but it's not as seamless as the 17 Pro. In terms of storage, both phones offer various options, but the iPhone 17 Pro goes up to 1 TB. The iPhone 16 Pro maxes out at 512 GB. The iPhone 17 Pro's display is not only brighter but also features a new technology for better color accuracy. The iPhone 16 Pro's display is still excellent but doesn't quite match the 17 Pro specs. Both phones support fast charging, but the iPhone 17 Pro can charge slightly faster. The iPhone 17 Pro also supports the latest wireless charging standards. The iPhone 16 Pro is still compatible with wireless charging but at a slower rate. The iPhone 17 Pro's A19 Bionic chip provides a significant boost in gaming performance. The iPhone 16 Pro's A18 Bionic chip is still very capable but not quite on the same level. When comparing the iPhone 17 Pro and iPhone 16 Pro, it's clear that both phones have their strengths. The iPhone 17 Pro offers several key upgrades, including a better camera, faster processor, and enhanced display. However, these improvements come at a price, and the iPhone 17 Pro is likely to be more expensive than its predecessor. The iPhone 16 Pro, on the other hand, offers great value for those who don't need the latest and greatest. In my personal experience using both phones side by side, I noticed that the iPhone 17 Pro's camera truly excels in low light conditions. The additional features, like the new telephoto lens, make a noticeable difference in image quality. The iPhone 16 Pro's camera is still great, but it's not quite on the same level. Another area where the iPhone 17 Pro shines is in gaming performance, thanks to its more powerful processor. 13. Conclusion. Both phones represent high points in Apple's innovation, but the iPhone 17 Pro clearly takes the crown when it comes to raw performance, camera versatility, battery life, and display technology. That said, the iPhone 16 Pro remains an excellent device, and for many users, especially those upgrading from older models, it might still hit all the essentials at a better price. Whether you're a creator, a pro user, or a power consumer, knowing where each model excels will help you choose the device that truly reigns supreme for your needs. So, which phone reigns supreme? In my opinion, the iPhone 17 Pro is the better choice for those who want the latest technology and are willing to pay for it. However, for those on a budget or who don't need all the bells and whistles, the iPhone 16 Pro is still an excellent option. The iPhone 16 Pro offers great value and is likely to be more affordable. Ultimately, the decision comes down to your individual needs and preferences. If you're still deciding, I'd love to hear your thoughts in the comments. Do you prefer the iPhone 17 Pro or the iPhone 16 Pro? Perhaps you're planning to upgrade from an older model? Let us know, and don't forget to like the video and subscribe for more tech comparisons. If you're interested in learning more about iPhone accessories, stay tuned for our next video. Your input is invaluable, and we're excited to hear your opinions. Thanks for watching, and we'll catch you in the next one.